Every man under the earth wants to achieve a certain dream, a certain goal, or an aspiration in life. In this video, we just want to share with you how we helped a local marketer to achieve our aim of selling our goods this early morning. Stay connected. This man had a goal or dream or an aspiration of selling all our goods this morning, and this is what we're here. Mindboss TV want to help her to achieve that aim, that dream, that aspiration of selling our goods this morning. Yes, we just want to patronize this woman to make sure she sells all our properties, and this is what we want to do. What we do primarily at Mindboss TV is to ensure that people around us make use of the power of their mind to achieve their dreams and aspirations in life. Stay connected. We're buying everything from her. Good morning. How you doing? How much be this one? Everything for you. Make her see. Bring her down. Bring her down. Make her see. For 400. How much everything? 1,200. Yes, 1,200 naira is just about $3 in the international market. We are buying all, eh? And yes, we just finished buying everything. Like I said earlier, I said we're going to buy all, and we just did. Yeah, we're paying her. Yes, this is Mr. Mono. Can you say hi to us?
Baddest guy.
Oh, yeah, the baddest guy. Baddest guy. The baddest guy in the street, you know. Yes, this is a wonderful street in my area, Bayelsa State, Nigeria, Africa. We're promoting what we have in Africa. If we don't do that, nobody will help us do that, and that's what we're doing. Please subscribe to Mindboss TV. What we do at Mindboss TV is just to ensure that you realize the power of your mind and you use it to create, build, and achieve your dreams and aspirations. We believe that success in life is a mindset, that once you possess the right mindset, you can achieve your dreams and aspirations in life. My name is Igobasi, the founder of Mindboss TV. Do have a wonderful day. We love you.